You borrowed money for one night. One night of feeling okay. The night is gone. The debt is still here. And it is growing. Rio did the same thing 3 days ago. Governor's letter still on the table. Rio understood something terrible. His job was inside the machine printing the problem. He had not told Maya yet. He was still deciding how. John, Run, and Rio quickly keep letter in pocket. Papa, festival is this Saturday. John held up hand-drawn list. Very long list, written by a 7-year-old. Mango ice, roasted banana chips, the big spinning wheel.
I owed him up.
Rio counted the list. Counted leaves in pocket. These two numbers did not match. Maya appeared. Rio already had his jacket on. Where are you going? John is excited. We should celebrate. Celebrate with what, Leaves? Rio patted pocket. I have a plan. Maya stared. Uh-oh. Big Monkey Bank. Big Bank Monkey. Enormous smile. Gold name tag. Festival loan. Excellent choice. Rio felt warm. That feeling was wrong. Big Bank Monkey slid paper across counter. Very long paper. Very small words. Convenience fee, processing charge, festival season premium. How much do I pay back total? It is all right here on page 4. Rio looked at page 4. Very small numbers. Very many of them. Rio signed. Festival was everything the list promised. Mango ice, John on Rio's shoulders, Maya actually smiling. This is worth it. Rio was not wrong about this part. He was wrong about everything around it. Rico appeared from the crowd. Full gold chain, brand new festival shirt, tags still on. Rio, festival night, bro! Big laugh, 1 second too late. Left hand gripping jacket behind his back, knuckles pale under the festival lights. Listen, bro, I have to go. Opportunity calling. Gone before Rio could speak. New shirt, old grip. Something the gold chain cannot cover. John pointed at the spinning wheel. Rio reached into pocket, counted again. The festival had been eating quietly, same way inflation had been eating quietly. Different speed, same direction. Maya appeared beside him. I am fine. We are fine. This is fine. Maya stares. Spinning wheel it is. John won nothing. That is okay, Papa. I liked watching it spin. Rio looked at his son. That was the best 2 leaves I ever spent. Home. Rio at the table, jacket on, tie still crooked. Good night. Real good night. Letter on the mat. Big Monkey Bank. Festival loan. First payment due. 112 leaves. Rio did the math. 4 months. 112 each month. That was 448 leaves total. He borrowed 300. For a night of mango ice and a spinning wheel? Rio looked at the festival bracelet still on his wrist. John had put it there himself. Rio did not take it off. Morning. John found Rio still at the table. Papa, you did not sleep. I was doing math. Papa, why do we owe leaves we never had? Rio looked at his son for a long time. The festival was real. The bracelet is real. But the leaves came from nowhere. Now they must come from somewhere. John looked at his bracelet, then at Rio. Papa, if you borrowed leaves to feel okay for one night, does that mean you felt not okay before that? Silence. Rio could not answer because the answer was yes. And he had not known it until right now. Rio turned the letter over, started writing on the back. Every leaf owed, every month it would take. The number at the end was small, but real. First real number Rio had ever written for himself. Not a hope, not a wish, a plan. Maya read the plan. No stare, just folded it, handed it back. It is a start. Rio said nothing. Smart monkey, finally. Late. House quiet. Paper under the door. No seal, no name. 3 words in handwriting Rio knew. Come find me. One more line. Bring Maya. Not the plan. Rio looked at Maya sleeping. What does Sage know about Maya? Next week on Jungle Money. Rio will go find Sage, but Maya will find something first. Rio thinks this debt started at the festival. It didn't. The first mistake happened before episode 1. Go watch it now, because what Rio missed then is what you are missing right now. Subscribe for a banana.